Partnerships is also another area that we've developed quite significantly, and partnerships within the Welsh language is really important to us. As part of the 14 to 19 network, we sit on the Partneriaeth, which is responsible for developing curriculum across Carmarthenshire for 14 to 19-year-olds. And we've also got very good partnership with the mentors that surround Carmarthenshire and actually in Carmarthenshire. And currently we have a contract with Mentor Gweithio, where a member of staff comes in to support learners with their work. We also have partnerships with the Earth, who come in and obviously work with young people in developing their Welsh language skills and generally engage with them in terms of the Eisteddfod and Welsh language developments in general.